Are you looking for the best wood lathes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood lathes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WN3421 Variable Speed Benchtop Woodlay. One may not be the biggest name on my list and is generally understood better as a consumer-grade brand, but it has been around for over half a century. That said, the WN3421 Woodlay still fits squarely within the company's purview, as it is not the most powerful model on my list. Its motor generating half HP and 3/5 amps. That said, this is almost the ideal wood lathe for beginners, as it comes with dual MT1 Morse tapers, which are perfect for securing smaller workpieces. On top of that, the WN3421 wood lathe is extremely stable, all things considered, thanks to its ability to be bolted down to a benchtop or rest-atop non-slip feet. Keep in mind, this wood lathe's lack of power really shows up if you try to use it all of the time, and it will likely fail if pushed due to not being professional grade. Still, when you consider that the WN3421 wood lathe is an inexpensive model that also comes with 2 different sizes of tool rest, it is a solid value all around. Up next in the 4th place is the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe. Though Shop Fox positions itself as a professional-grade power tool brand, it is better understood as a mid-tier brand, but that can work out in your favor. The Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe is a perfect example of this. Though it is one of the least powerful options I encountered, with a motor that only pushes a 1/3 HP and 2 amps. On the other hand, this wood lathe is fairly inexpensive and is another cheaper model that comes with 2 different tool rests of 4/2 and 7 to increase its value. As if that were not enough, the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe also comes with a 5/3/4, which is one of the largest on my list and perfect for irregular designs. It is worth noting that this wood lathe is not as easy to work as some of the others on my list, with its adjustments requiring more work to set properly. Still, the Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Lathe is fairly lightweight at 52 pounds, and its dual MT1 Morse tapers make it ideal for a smaller space to work on smaller projects. The 3rd product on our list is the JWL1221VS Woodlay. Jet may have started as a company focused on aircraft-heavy machinery, but it has since become a solid professional-grade power tool manufacturer. The JWL1221VS Woodlay is a great example of this, though it is also an expensive option, but you get more for your buck. For starters, this is the first wood lathe on my list with a little bit more power. Its motor able to push 1 horsepower and 6 amps, both of which allow it to work better under load. On top of that, the JWL1221VS wood lathe comes with one of the widest speed ranges I encountered, between 60 to 360 RPMs, while the maximum RPMs is nothing to get excited over compared to the competition. The minimum RPMs of 60 is perfect for the softest materials. The only real downside of the JWL1221VS wood lathe is its substandard quality control, but it does come with 2 large tool rests. Second on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G0462 Woodlay. Grizzly is another professional-grade power tool brand that has a bit of an up-and-down reputation, but generally still performs reasonably well. In this instance, the Grizzly Industrial G0462 wood lathe ties my list as the most powerful model, with a motor that pushes 2 horsepower and 14 amps. Granted, the motor required to generate that kind of power makes this wood lathe extremely heavy and not one that you can move around, even within your workshop. However, this weight makes the Grizzly Industrial G0462 wood lathe more stable than most, and it also comes with its own stand. Another great quality about with wood lathe is its capacity, which again ties my list for accommodating the longest workpiece at 46 and has a 16 swing over capacity. As if that were not enough, the Grizzly Industrial G0462 wood lathe also comes with a large tool rest and a 6 faceplate. Finally, the top product on our list is the Nova71118 Comet 2 Dr. Midi lathe. Novapower Tools may not be the most well-known on my list, but they have plenty of experience and are noted for innovations particular to wood lathes. The Nova71118 Comet 2 Dr. Midi lathe is a touch expensive, But the company will also nickel and dime you with optional components that allow you to get the most out of the lathe in terms of its raw performance. This wood lathe ties my list for the widest speed range that can move from 250 to 4000 RPMs. Perfect for any kind of material. On the other hand, its actual power rating is a bit difficult to determine given the company does not provide an amperage rating and states the 3/4 HP can be raised higher. One thing to keep in mind is that this wood lathe works well when assembled. But that can be a bit trickier than with some of the competition thanks to shoddy quality control. Still, the Nova71118 Comet 2 Dr. Midi lathe is the only option on my list with a digital readout which makes its precision significantly better. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.